Hey guys, Josh here, and I just want to quickly shoot this demo video of the VideoMotion Pro software application so you can get a good introduction of how it works and everything like that. Please make sure that you don't post this video to YouTube or add it on in your marketing material, because I'll be adding in a much better video that you can use for promotional material within the next couple of days. But yeah, this is just a demo video for you to see how it'll work. So once the user purchases VideoMotion Pro, they'll be able to download and install the software directly onto the computer. It works both on Mac and PC computers. And the first time that they download it, they'll simply be asked to add in their username and password. So you simply go through and add it in here, like so. And then they can go ahead and log into the software. And yeah, you can see this is basically the software. We've got a really easy to use UI that we've designed. And yeah, it just functions pretty simple. So you simply click on create new project. You can add in your project name. Let's call this one JV Demo. And click on create project. And this is just, when you want to save your projects, you have your project name listed already, and you can go ahead and save that project to your desktop. And if you want to close the software and go back into the project, you can open up the project and it will have obviously all the saved material that you've done, and you can continue working on that. Okay, so one thing you can do is go ahead and import media. So whatever kind of images or videos or whatever you want to import. I'm going to try and find something. Just 1 second. Okay, so I don't even know what this is, but let's just go and grab that. Okay, so once you got it, add in your video or your media. It gets added into the media folder, and you can simply just drag and drop it down on the timeline. Currently we have this collage, like you can see down here. It instantly creates a preview of the video. But what we're going to be doing is just having a generic kind of looking track, which we're going to be adding in the next day or so. But for now it's like that. You can see we've got audio waveforms in there. Yeah, and you can just simply click on play. You can see that the video plays in the preview panel, and you can resize it and everything like that with these buttons here. I'm just going to leave it the full width. Okay, so let me just quickly show you. For example, if you want to make a cut, like if I want to cut maybe from there to there, you simply select wherever you want to cut. You select the timeline, and then you simply click on the cut button, and it cuts that whole part there. And if you want to bring the timeline indicators back, or the seek bars back together, you simply click on the escape button, and it locks them back in, and you can go ahead and keep playing through your video like that. We can also add in fade effects, and we're going to be adding in after the launch, we're going to be adding in heaps of extra features like motion speed clipping, where you can add in those slow motion effects and things like that. We've also got cool things like lower thirds. If you click on add lower third, you'll be able to see we've got all these different lower third templates. Currently these are some of the ones we're going to be adding into the OTO package as well. But yeah, you can just see, for example, like this one here, it's a nice retro looking one, like this one here, and you can just simply go ahead and add in your text. So let's say Josh Rada, and the name of let's say VideoMotion Pro, like that. And you can click on add lower third, and it simply processes the animation very quickly and adds it onto your video. So I'm just going to drag this up like that, bring it over there, and this one will look much better on a dark background because it's a white color, but you can kind of see what I mean. There we go, like that. So that, yeah, obviously that'll look better on a better background. But so you can go add in lower thirds. We've got also, which is very, very cool, outros. Currently we've only got 2. We've got in the next few days we're going to be adding in all the rest of the animations, and there's going to be 10 outro slides that users can select. And you can see, like, just a preview, for example. But how it works is these are slides for like YouTube videos. So once someone watches your video on YouTube, you would have seen that they have these outros where you can add in your other videos and then add on clickable links within YouTube, and this just helps you to get more views to your channel and subscribers and things like that with call to action. So for example, you just go simply select add your video, and you can see it adds it directly on there. And you can change up the text, you can change up the subscribe, all the text on this slide you can change, and yeah, I'll just simply add it to the video to show you what it looks like. Okay, so what our software does is it actually adds it directly onto the back of the timeline after the last track, automatically like that. So you can go ahead and position it where you want, but if I go and bring the time indicator, you'll be able to see that there's the video there. If you just play that through, you can see that, you know, there's a slide. People can just add on their annotations afterwards, and clickable links on YouTube, and have an awesome outro slide. We've got heaps of awesome animated ones that we're going to be adding in this week. Also, which is what we've got is very cool, is intros. So you can see what these intro slides, and these are like, you know, logo sting animations. We've got a whole heap of different types like that, and you can simply add in your logo, add in your text, and have an awesome looking animation to your beginning of your videos. And this is really, you know, good for like when you're creating training courses, info products, to really brand your videos and make them look really professionally. We've also got YouTube upload over here. You can upload directly onto YouTube, and you can render your videos as well. Simply select, you know, where you want it to render it, and click on render. Okay, and we've also got a screen capture where you can record the screen, and we've got webcam as well where you can record, you know, obviously yourself on camera from the webcam in your computer. So that's basically, you know, how it all works. It's pretty simple, really easy to use, and the next couple of days I'll be adding in a more professional video that you can use in your marketing, but this is just specifically for JAV partners, and we're going to be tidying up the UI, making it look even better. But as you can see, it's very simple to use, and it looks very clean. And also one other thing is, whenever we have updates, when we push through new updates and new features and things like that, the user doesn't have to download the software again. It comes up with a little notification on this icon here, and they simply click on the icon and it says update software, and whenever they want to update, they click on the button and it completely updates the software directly, and adds in all the new features and any upgrades that we add in. So yeah, your list is going to love this. We're really looking forward to Monday to bringing it out, and thanks again for watching this video and jumping on board VideoMotion Pro.